this is Tao Tien Company for another apartment visit. So I would like to start this visit by presenting to you the room. There is only one room with a big bed, 2 places. Just right here there is some commodity where you can put your clothes or whatever. Just on my back there is one bathroom. This is a private bathroom directly connected to the room. So as you can see, there is everything that you need. Alright, let's continue this visit by the living room. Alright, so this is a table, big table, 4 places, and just close to it the kitchen with a big fridge, and then it is providing with many furnitures like plate, forks, knife, glass, and even if you need something else you can call Tao Tien Company and ask whatever you want. So there is a big sofa in front of a little table. Right here is the television, just down it the Wi-Fi connection, who is providing in all Tao Tien apartment a desk. And to see this apartment correctly, there is a big window who let the sunshine come in the apartment, so very comfortable. Also, do not forget the air conditioning and ventilation, very important during the summertime. Alright, that's it for this apartment. Thank you very much.